Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss Section 2 of the Indian Patent Act 1970. इस सेक्शन को हम एक स्टोरी के साथ पढ़ेंगे। कैसे एक चींटी अपने दोस्त चिड़िया को असाइन करती है अपना इन्वेंशन और कैसे वो चिड़िया पहुंचती है पेटेंट ऑफिस वाया एक इंडस्ट्री होके और कैसे वहाँ पे पेटेंट एजेंट से वो मिलती है और उसके बाद वापस आके अपने दोस्त चींटी के साथ वो कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सेक्शन 2A स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग टॉप पोजीशन से, दैट इज एपिलेट बोर्ड से। तो 2A में है एपिलेट बोर्ड, मीन्स एपिलेट बोर्ड रेफर्ड टू इन सेक्शन 116 कहता है एपिलेट बोर्ड एस्टेब्लिश्ड अंडर सेक्शन 83 of the Trademark Act 1999 shall be the appellate board for the purpose of this act, and the said appellate board shall exercise the jurisdiction, power and authority conferred on it by or under this act. 2AB is assignee, includes an assignee of the assignee and the legal representative of a deceased assignee, and reference to the assignee of any person includes reference to the assignee of the legal representative or assignee of that person. Section 2ABA is Budapest Treaty, means the Budapest Treaty on the international recognition of the deposit of microorganisms for the purpose of the patent procedure done at Budapest on 28th day of April 1977 as amended and modified from time to time. Section 2AC, capable of industrial application in relation to an invention, means that the invention is capable of being made or used in an industry. Section 2B is controller, means the Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademarks referred to in Section 73. Section 73 कहता है द कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ पेटेंट डिज़ाइन एंड ट्रेडमार्क अपॉइंटेड अंडर सबसेक्शन 1 ऑफ सेक्शन 3 ऑफ द ट्रेडमार्क एक्ट 1999 shall be the controller of patent for the purpose of this act. Section 2C, convention application, means an application for a patent made by virtue of section 135. Section 2D, convention country, means a country or a country which is a member of a group of countries or a union of countries or an intergovernmental organization referred to as convention country in section 133. Section 2E, district court, has the meaning assigned to the expression by the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Section 2F, exclusive license, means a license from a patentee which confer on the licensee and the person authorized by him to the exclusion of all other person including the patentee any right in respect of the patented invention. An exclusive license shall be construed accordingly. 2H, government undertaking, means any industrial undertaking carried on by a department of the government or by a corporation established by a central, provincial or state act which is owned or controlled by the government or by a government company as defined in section 617 of the Companies Act 1956 or by an institution wholly or substantially financed by the government. Section 2I is High Court. In relation to a state or union territory, means the High Court having territorial jurisdiction in that state or union territory as the case may be. Section 2IA is international application, means an application for a patent made in accordance with the Patent Cooperation Treaty. इंटरनेशनल एप्लीकेशन को अगर शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तो IA लिखेंगे हम लोग। इस तरह से भी याद रख सकते हैं कि 2IA में है इंटरनेशनल एप्लीकेशन। सेक्शन 2J इज इन्वेंशन, मीन्स अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट or process involving an inventive step and capable of industrial application. Very important section. Section 2JA is inventive step, means a feature of an invention that involves technical advance as compared to the existing knowledge, or having economic significance or both, and that makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. Section 2K is legal representative, means a person who in law represents the estate of a deceased person. Section 2L is new invention, means any invention or technology which has not been anticipated by the publication in any document or used in the country or elsewhere in the world before the date of filing of patent application with complete specification, that is, the subject matter has not fallen in public domain or that it does not form part of the state of the art. Section 2LA, Opposition Board, means an opposition board constituted under subsection 3 of section 25. Section 2M is patent, means a patent for any invention granted under this act. Section 2N is patent agent, nice patent agent. In this way we can remember. Section 2N is patent agent, means a person for the time being registered under this act as a patent agent. Section 2O is patented article and patented process, means respectively an article or process in respect of which a patent is in force. Ordinary application OA. Section 2OA is Patent Cooperation Treaty, means which is not an ordinary application. The Patent Cooperation Treaty means the Patent Cooperation Treaty done at Washington on 19th day of June 1970 as amended and modified from time to time. सेक्शन 2OA को ऑर्डिनरी एप्लीकेशन के हिसाब से हम लोग याद कर सकते हैं, जो कि ऑर्डिनरी एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, मतलब वो एक PCT एप्लीकेशन है. तो सेक्शन 2OA is PCT. In this way we can able to remember most of the sub clauses. Section 2P, patentee, means the person for the time being entered on the register as the guarantee or proprietor of the patent. Section 2Q, patent of edition, means a patent granted in accordance with section 54. Section 2R, रेड कलर पेटेंट ऑफिस, दिल्ली वाला पेटेंट ऑफिस रेड कलर का ही है. सेक्शन 2R, पेटेंट ऑफिस मीन्स द पेटेंट ऑफिस रेफर्ड टू इन सेक्शन 74. Section 2S, person, includes the government. Section 2T, person interested, includes a person engaged in or in promoting research in the same field as that of which the invention relates. Section 2TA, pharmaceutical substance, means any new entity involving one or more inventive steps. Section 2U, prescribed, means in relation to proceeding before a high court, prescribed by rules made by the high court, in relation to the proceeding before the appellate board, prescribed by the rules made by the appellate board, and in other cases prescribed by rules made under this act. Section 2V, prescribed manner, includes the payment of the prescribed fee. Section 2W, priority date, has the meaning assigned to it by section 11. Section 2X, register, means the register of patent referred to in section 67. Section 2Y, true and first inventor, does not include either the first importer of an invention into India or a person to whom an invention is the first communicated from outside India. Hope you like this video. Thank you.